Hello guys, how are you? And welcome to this video. I'm here with my friend Jojo.
Oh, hi.
She's eating as always. So today we are about to do something so fun. So we have this baby right here. It's a cleaning carpet. We rented it from Home Depot, as you can see, and we're just gonna show you guys how to use it. I know there is many of you right now who would like to know how to use this machine. Let's do it right now. We're gonna start carpet, and then after the carpet we're gonna do also couches, and it's gonna be so fun. Are you ready? Let's do it.
First of all, we're gonna need hot water. So on the instructions they said you need 2 gallons of hot water, but if you don't have any gallons you can use anything you have. So we are using this. After that, you open and you pull the white plastic, and then you pour the water inside there, as you can see. So this is the soap we're gonna be using. Let me show you. There we are mixing the soap with the hot water. We pour and we pour the plastic back. It's so easy, guys, you can tell. Okay, so we have that tool on the side. We're gonna attach to the machine. This is you're gonna use this only for your couches, not for the carpet. All right, let me show you guys. All right, and that's how you attach it. And I repeat, this tool is only for your couches. If you want to clean your couches, this is what you would do. And when you want to clean the carpet, you're gonna unplug it and put it back as it was before.
This here. Yay! We're gonna replace the water because it's done. Oh my god. Gross! So
Now to clean the carpet, you have to pull the machine from the back, okay, not from the front. As you can see, Jojo is doing right there. She's pulling it from the back like that. Yes.
this place looks amazing. Let me show you guys. It looks more amazing in person, and the couches are clean and everything. Look at this hallway. Whew. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next video.
We'll see you guys.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Clean. Clean. A